Ibrahim Traoré says goodbye to Burkina Faso with a letter that touches millions of hearts.
It means that the man is selfless. Within 2 years, why not? It means that now our purpose and a vision for Burkina Faso. Chada or Kamibi or say Ghana's gold. Why are we taking gold from Ghana? Near refining it near Sadiaba. And no none wants some more Ghana for Yan Sayantia Sayan to Amano.
Nepal say in 2 years, say 200 tons of gold in 2 years. Name from Central Bank of Ghana. Name come be an income so my 300 billion. So I'm going to go do so. I'm going to go. Say no, must go normal fire. So the coast Switzerland and Sana work for year refinery and Sana the stamp to BSC so and Sana my fire. In your mobile, so refinery, you wait me see you.
Hello, hi, Xposed GHFM Bros. Subscribe, share, the two man now on sa aka. It's still Chada's time. Makara said Chada, Niamane ye, Kosu de Biani ye. Yera Chada or Kamibi or say Ghana's gold. Why are we taking gold from Ghana? Near refining it, near Sadiaba. And no none wants some more Ghana for Yan Sayantia Sayan to Amano. And no one said I'm Pasiaka. You will have you in the brand bar, Mekasa.
Nepal say in 2 years, say 200 tons of gold in 2 years. Name from Central Bank of Ghana. Name come be an income so my 300 billion. So I'm going to go do so. I'm going to go. Say no, must go normal fire. So the coast Switzerland and Sana work for year refinery and Sana the stamp to BSC so and Sana my fire. In your mobile, so refinery, you wait me see you. Now go to number 99.9. Now what to go no I raw gold no must stamp up brony chrome no omonko refine in the ata no the stamp so and Sana abaye 99.9 which means gold no high so the to put free the hands and Sana abaye and no nyina no yadada what you say nipa so you nyansa ani say dada what you am trying to say nti wo hwe na ye BBC a Ghana it borrowed 300 billion and yet 3 times our GDP. 3 times the GDP is 65 to 70 billion dollars. Say Timmy Kobo books and I said you could have go do near Casa go the Ukraine into my way. No say you go to Nikeka. A copy of Chrome be a bit tree. A DBA investment to be as I say you be an ya bay. Because who share your manner and I become phone crown almost say you are looking for foreign investment. That is still slavery. Huh? What happened to the local investment? Now, foreign investment, and it's all mobile now, we are foreigner. I didn't even go out.
Oh, very patriotic.
Oh, your politics. Now, say a foreign influencer. Send your foreigners back on, and then you are.
That's right.
It has to be traditional. Me demand so make tea or 2 for some, make tea and my penny for be some. Me no more better say if you told me about my man, and and no, my beer, I say some money here, and then I'm the at the country I may listening to our Marco 16 readings in Yano. Yan Catana me person me tea nipa annual self. Say, dear Ben, I'm here. A dear Ben, ya, Yantian in the year.
You bet my
year. I must say no, Usha Crana, ya cannot say, in Crofua, or Manuan Sama or Market Cananona, ye church rye, the Baba manifesto. In Tigana, Munes manifesto Ebano, a Yamana Maka. A Yanka say a dream in the diabo. And you'll be now offer Cosi Bruni bro for be our church on the brain now 120 pages. No, I will dear promise you no maybe NC. We are not here for promise.
Not lip service.
No, we're here for a purpose. And the purpose no she said yes say yeah. Yamrene no so. We in here obi ba rabbit to us. Ebi mu sha
Ghana near friend Gold Coast for a reason because the land is blessed with gold. But the whole world, the finest gold is in Ghana, no doubt. A country and your blessing and Tino Bruni by offering Gold Coast. But Unibibi, Ghana is the second largest exporter and our first largest, and yet the papemu and the bonium Jimmy. I exporting raw gold, yeah, exporting equabutry, normal refining, normal beton mine, which is something that is beyond thinking. Why so bisa say Ghana after so many years. Sebi yesi abrofo ya bedi yeso yenya independence. Kwame Nkrumah nya independence no. What is the independence about? It just says still we are still doing the old things, and now we need to reform our mind. Yanko back kakra here. And then me nasia na ye say your currency ni kra no. Ye the gold kakra to Bank of Ghana. Ye benya sabe your currency will be stable. Nansen na ye hu nyansa na ye store your gold no. Meanwhile America and other places no, China obu gold omu 2 year and omu mine Ghana there, because it be a time will come no so person currency no mu ye do a gold na de be back. Nyamia ma nyansa ba ye nim nyansa, because for all this while no raw gold and then they call and on a chada catcher say it is time to change what the status quo. We need to make reforms, we need to change the story. Now one man on the African continent waiting here changing Ibrahim Traoré. Okra chada adwini bi chada ni ana Ibrahim Traoré ni watimi asesa Burkina Faso na enne asema meti here say Ibrahim Traoré also step down.
Ibrahim Traoré says goodbye to Burkina Faso with a letter that touches millions of hearts. The main hall of the Koziam Palace was full on this historic day. Ministers, journalists, religious leaders, and community leaders were all gathered, waiting in silence and with worry. News of an important message from President Ibrahim Traoré. I will step away from the presidency for a while, but know this. Everything has been carefully planned. I will never leave our country without guidance. He explained that in the coming weeks, a transition government would be created. It would be made of people chosen not for politics, but for their skills and honesty. The names would be shared soon, after talking with the wise leaders of the country. I always look to the future, he said strongly. What I plant today, you will harvest for generations. Our patience will be rewarded. Our courage will be honored. Ibrahim Traoré then spoke about the past unfair treatment of Burkina Faso in the world. Bad trade deals, stolen resources, and being left out of important world meetings. Today, our country is respected, he said with quiet pride. But that respect did not come without pain, without sacrifice, without courage. Respect does not come. It is the result of all of us deciding not to be background characters in our own story. Another ray of sunlight came through the windows, making a glowing circle around him. Cameras captured this moment. The light made his words feel even more powerful. My departure is not running away, he said, while looking at everyone. It is a smart step forward, like a lion.
It means that the man is selfless. Within 2 years, it means that not our purpose and a vision for Burkina Faso. But also why yebi and that baby or the Burkina Faso eduno wa who say massa or the age or the Burkina Faso jinawa sebi or mekwenim. But maybe the Ibrahim Traoré and Dabi Rwanda. What president what transfer what we say Rwanda. Uko meseno. Uko penjimienti. What me samba back to zero. France no more China no. Me pato Ibrahim. Me viewers say don't go. Don't go. Uko ne France will come back. US will come. They will come and mine the gold that you have toiled for. To me pato. And no na nipa boy say money call. Hey yes one. Nipa papa or kwana obi esu. Nipa boni bi say ya kwa eni wo kwa ya na obi agina ni because just a bra wo man Ghana for bread I know again me pacho. But when they mean say France, the pressure that they are putting on the people and no na my Ibrahim akaso but me gina fidie so na also come ho ne ka kire Ibrahim Traoré say mpancho man nko ba bia I expose GH baba bia me simu so subscribe share me too man now saka be man wasi.